great day. It's our 9th annual Women's Health Fair Day. Over 100 women today will receive vital healthcare services that they otherwise would not be able to receive.
It's 7:45 on Saturday morning, and there are currently 80 women outside in line waiting to come in. The first ones got here at 5:30 this morning, with the bulk of people starting to arrive at 6:30. Pretty amazing.
Today we've seen over 130 women. They've come here to Kaiser Permanente and the collaborative effort with Conejo Free Clinic to have a free Women's Health Day. It has been a huge success, and I just cannot tell you how important it has been expressed by so many of the women here today that they have access to these services that they otherwise would not have. A fine process is put together so that all of their pertinent information is collected. There will be 80 volunteers and 11 doctors that will provide these vital services.
This is our mobile mammography van from Ventura County, and this is our mammography machine. And women come in, we go around to the different clinics in Ventura County, and we do mammograms on women.
This is the first time I've been to the Ladies Free Clinic, and my friend told me about it. I'm very thankful it's available because I don't have insurance. My husband's self-employed, and I have some issues that I've not been taking care of, and so I'm very thankful to have this opportunity, and hopefully this will take care of some of the issues I've been having, or at least set my mind to ease. So thank you very much for making this available. I really appreciate it.
I lost my job about a year and a half ago. I was laid off, so I no longer have health insurance.
Just how appreciative we are at the county to be able to have the partnership with Kaiser and to be able to help a segment of the population that wouldn't otherwise be served. And you can see from the incredible response how important this is and how it saves lives.
I've heard so many wonderful things over the years about the Conejo Free Clinic, and I was very excited to be invited here today. It is quite an impressive organization, incredible volunteers, and the work that they're doing is very important.
We were just so happy to see such a turnout. This really is a great partnership with the Conejo Free Clinic. We developed the partnership, and we decided to open our facility up so that we could use our rooms and our equipment and some of our people and volunteers, and some of our nurse practitioners and physicians have actually worked here. And it's turned out great, so we have this overwhelming response today, and we're just so happy that we could help the community in that way.
So I'm really happy that you guys have this, and I'm very happy for that. Thank you very much for what you guys are doing.